Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're going to cover how to customize your digital input and output. So let's go into Configure, Generally, and IO Setup. In here, you can see that all the digital input and output at your access. For digital input, you're able to change the name. I just say hi, and you can also change the action. I just say go home. So whenever digital input 00 is triggered, the robot will go back home. And similarly, you can do that for your tool IO, and you're not able to customize the action for the analog input in. For digital output, this is the same. I can change the name. I just say hello. I can change if I can control the digital output using our teach pendant. So right now, if I set it as enable, I'm able to control it in my in-out. And you can already see my name has already changed here. So right now you see I can open up, I can trigger my digital output. But if I set this as disable, then you see I cannot click on it anymore. And this is purely controlled by the robot itself. And finally, I can customize this action to, let's just say hi when the program stopped. So it's very easy to see that we have made this change. So right now, let me try to run the robot. And when it's running, you can see that this is like a shade gray. And if I pause it right now, this will turn into dark gray. And that means I have triggered. And now if I put this as none, and I'll run the program, let me not trigger this. And then I will make sure the robot is running, and I'll stop the program, and it will not trigger again. So that's how you customize and change different action for your digital input and output. Thank you for watching.